we are on page 248 in the story problem. Lily and Bailey each made 96 pieces of fudge to give away. They divided the fudge evenly and put it into 6 boxes. How many pieces of fudge were in each box? So in order to find our final answer, we need to do 2 parts. The first part is finding out how many people are we talking about. Lily and Bailey, which is 2. They each made 96 pieces of fudge. So we're going to multiply 96 times 2. 6 times 2, 12. Carry the 1. 2 times 9, 18. Plus 1, 19. So they made 192 pieces of fudge together. Now it says they divided the fudge evenly and put it into 6 boxes. Our clue word here is divide. We're going to divide the answer we just got into 6. So 192 divided by 6. So we look at the first number is 1. 1 is smaller than 6, so we can't divide into that. So we got to use 2 numbers, 19. All right, so 6 times what will give me close to 19? 3. Because 6 times 3 is 18. 9 minus 8, 1. Bring down the 2 is 12. 6 times what will give me 12? 2. So in each box, they put 32 pieces of fudge. Our final answer is 32. The next story problem says, in the school cafeteria, there are 80 green plates and 3 times as many yellow plates. How many plates are there in all? So the first thing we gotta see is that we're talking about 80 green plates and 3 times as many yellow plates. Not yellow plates, I'm sorry, green plates. So we have 80 yellow and 3 times as many green. Our clue word here is the word times. So we're going to multiply 80 times 3 to figure out how many green plates we have. So 80 times 3. 0 times 3, 0. 3 times 8 is 24. Sorry. So my final answer is 240, and that is for green plates. Now, how many plates are there in all? So we know that there's 80 yellow and 240 green. What do we have to do to figure out the total? We have to add. 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 plus 2, 3. 320 is the total of plates in the school cafeteria. This was a 2-part story problem. So the next section in our book is reduced to the lowest term. 6 over 18. So we need to find our common factor. Common factor is what number can go into 6 and 18 and that they would both have in common. It would be 6. So we're gonna here do a little space here for division so that you can visually see. 6 divided by 6, 1. 18 divided by 6, 3. So my answer is 1 over 3. Now we need to find a common factor for 4 and 10. What number can divide into both that they would have in common? So the answer would be 2. 4 divided by 2, 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. So my answer would be 2 over 5. The next one would be 5 over 15. What number do they both have in common that they can both divide by? The answer would be 5. 5 divided by 5, 1. 15 divided by 5, 3. My answer is 1 over 3. 10 over 40. What number can divide equally into both? Would be 10. 10 divided by 10, 1. 40 divided by 10, 4. My final answer is 1 over 4. The next section, multiplication. 10 times 10, 100. The next one is 11 times 11, 121. 10 times 4, 40. 11 times 12, 132. 10 times 11, 110. 11 times 7, 77. 72 divided by 9. So it's like going backwards. It's like 9 times what would give me 72? The answer is 8. 59 divided by 9. 9 times what would give me 54? My answer is 6. 63 divided by 9. 9 times what would give me 63? My answer is 7. The next section says, draw a rectangle around each whole number, a triangle around each fraction, and a trapezoid around each mixed number. So first let's start with the rectangle. The rectangle, sorry, around the whole number. So let's look for a whole number. Is this a whole number? No. Is this a whole number? No. Is this a whole number? No. Is this a whole number? Yes. So we do a rectangle. Is this a whole number? No. Is this a whole number? Yes. The next one says, do a triangle around each fraction. Let's see, is this a fraction? No. Is this a fraction? Yes. So we do a triangle. Is this a fraction? Yes. Draw your triangle. Is this a fraction? No. And then the next one says, draw a trapezoid around each mixed number. Is this a mixed number? Yes, because it has a whole number and a fraction. So it's a mixed number. So you're going to draw a trapezoid. I'm going to try to do my best. I'm not really good at drawing. And then obviously this one would also be a mixed number. So we'll go like this, like this, like this, and like this. So we are complete with our lesson for today. If you have any questions or any doubts, please message me. I hope that these videos have been somewhat helpful. All right, on to the next one.